How to add credit card to Binance application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add credit card to Binance application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch your Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, in order to add a card to your Binance, make sure that you have completed your identity verification, that is KYC. Then only you will be able to add the card in your Binance account. So if you have already completed your identity verification, then what you can do is navigate to top left corner and tap on the Binance icon. So once you're here, tap on the top right corner, the settings icon. And once you're on the settings, scroll down a bit and head towards the payment section. There is an options for payments method, tap on it. From here, you have to select P2P payment methods at the top. And here tap on add a payment method. So here you have to complete the identity verification. So in my case, it is not completed yet, but in your case, make sure that it is completed. So once you have the identity verification completed in your device, you will have an option to add the payment method. There, tap on add a payment method and you will get various options to add payment method depending upon your country. There you may add or you may select any one of the service provider in order to add your credit card. Select an option to add your credit card, then you may have to enter all of your card details such as your card number, expiry date, CVV code and your billing address. Once you have provided all your card details, then tap on confirm to save your card. Now, once you have added your credit card as a payment method, now you can select your card for future crypto purchases. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.